wonderful and blessed community out there. My name is Kiara Ducasse and I'm here today with Synerchiorganics, and today I'm going to be talking about the most spoken about coffee alternative you could possibly have. Well, if you don't dig drinking coffee, or you don't like the side effects of coffee, the heart rush, the palpitating heartbeat, etc., then you need to come over and get yourself some macachino. Okay, it's extremely energizing to the body, okay, and the mental clarity. And why do you ask? Well, boom, hello, hi, there's our macachino, macachino. Okay, so as you can see here on our image, absolutely incredible product. It's a lovely, rich and creamy drink pack with vitamins and minerals, an excellent replacement for coffee that will kickstart your day and leave you feeling alert, calm, and ready to take on the day. I know because I have this very often, very regularly, and I know that when you're feeling a slump, this is something really good to have. And you can have it hot, you can have it cold. Really delicious both ways also. So what does it do for us? It will improve your libido, improve your mental clarity. It's an excellent source of antioxidants. It has an energy boost without caffeine. Very, very incredible. Very, very important. Sometimes caffeine is good for you from green tea extract, but caffeine sometimes when it's extracted in a processed format from the coffee beans, it can be a little bit detrimental to you in the body. So with that being said, 250 grams, 190 bucks, 4 interest-free payments with PayFlex, or you can pay with PayPal, PayFast, Bitcoin, Visa, MasterCard, or an instant EFT. Ships anywhere around South Africa, 3 to 5 working days. Ships international, 10 days, wherever you like. Couriers are on you guys. Incredibly easy to use, incredibly tasty to have. And what are the ingredients in here? Cacao powder, maca powder, lucuma powder, coconut creamer, mesquite, coconut sugar. Okay, mesquite has a bit of a malty kind of flavor. Coconut sugar got like a caramelly flavor. Coconut creamer gives it that round, creamy, bubbly, delicious, rich flavor. Lucuma is a delicious sweetener with incredible nutritional value. Maca powder is where you get your libido and your stimulant and an adaptogen. And the cacao powder is what's going to boost your brain and your blood and your energy. So with those combinations of ingredients, no wonder this product is extremely powerful. You add 2 to 3 scoops of this to a cup. You put your hot water, you put some milk. I generally have it with a bit of hot water coconut milk. Really incredible, really delicious. I love it to bits and pieces, and I'm guaranteeing that you will. Okay, incredible. And sometimes people think that because it's a coffee alternative or a coffee replacement, that we're trying to mimic the same flavor of coffee. No, that's not what we're doing. These are superfoods. Superfoods don't taste like coffee. Coffee has its place in the superfood side of things, but it isn't the superfood that I'm referring to with these superfoods right here. Very easy to use, non-dairy, processed sugar-free, and very nutrient dense. Guys, absolutely delicious. I think I'm going to make me a cup of this a little bit later this evening. I'm going to give this one a go because I always have hot chocolate and I love my hot chocolates, but I'm going to give this one a go because it also has cacao in it. So most certainly, thank you for that. Thank you, SynerChi, for making such a wonderful product like this. Appreciate it greatly. And guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button down below. I really appreciate it. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, that would be even more appreciated because we love you so much that we want to continue to do these videos for you. But you're encouraging us by subscribing to our channel, commenting on our videos in the comment section below, and liking our videos because you're helping the YouTube algorithm say that more people want to see this content. So if you haven't done that yet, please make sure that you do that. Hit the notification bell so that you know when we share our next video, and share this video with others that you may believe deserve to know this information, this knowledge, as you deserve it and I deserve it and we all deserve it together. Love you guys. You have yourself a really happy, healthy, strong, beautiful, macachino energetic kind of day. Okay, take care, and we'll see you later. Bye.